Wrexham Reuse Charity Shop at Bryn Lane, Wrexham, just outside. It's industrial estates, signposted. Just look at what you can get here. The most fantastic bargains. Never mind the January. Look at that. Golfers, and look at the Cheshire bike carriers. They cost a fortune. And iron gates. I mean, you know, they've been here a while actually. But the bicycles are absolutely, yeah. So I got so many things here, from plant pots and bicycles. I mean, they cost thousands new, and parasols, beach shelters. And when you go inside, it's an absolute gem. You've got kitchenware. You're on video. I said I'd find my camera. There we go. I mean, look at this.
What breed is your dog?
He's a Belgian Shepherd, but he's very keen on charity. Look at that lovely tote bag. And yeah, you've got all kinds of kitchenware that, you know, you'd pay a fortune for. And a lot of people haven't even used them. Coffee makers, grinders. It's all the fancy, all the rage now. All the rage. And you've got all kinds of... Oh, look at those lamps. Look, isn't that beautiful, elegant? You've got more bicycles. Those are probably fancy ones. I think they're very fancy ones, aren't they? Yes. Oh, yes, this is for YouTube. Oh, look at that. You can have your own antique... Falcon, don't pull on the lead. Oh, look at that. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Look at these things. For kids, I mean, they even have a tools section. You can get hammers, nails, all sorts of things. Oh, wonderful. Oh, yes, I must. Oh, I can never bear it. Can't bear not getting something. Well, it's just bargains. Yes, it is. Wrexham charity shop, people. Reuse, upcycling is the in thing. Upcycling. Oh, look at that. You got... Oh, here's the toolware. Oh, Mr. Dinosaur. Yes, I got one once. Oh, yes. Sudoku. And we got... oh, here's all the trailer cover kit. Oh, look at that. I mean, bicycle wheels, even Gabriel pumps. Oh, even a motorcycle helmet for £10. That's amazing. Racer kits, Scrabble, circuits. Oh, dear. They had wonderful things here at Christmas time. I mean, yes, look at that. I mean, that's a chicken. The old-fashioned. Oh, look at that. An old-fashioned, you don't, that's an antique, that is. Yes. Oh, that is that. Yes, well, we don't have fossil fuel. Oh, and you've always got these televisions. Oh, a DVD. Oh, there's me in the mirror with my, yes, all kinds of DVDs and stuff like this. Yes, so that's a Belgian vegan dog. Well, I said I couldn't find my camera, this mobile phone. I'd lost it. 100% of proceeds go towards supporting the Nightingale House Hospice. Exactly. And with the cost of living problem, yes, it's a real necessity. But here you find all kinds of gems. Oh, look at those. That is absolutely very elegant. Right, that's it.